Welcome back, educators. Today, we're discussing negative reinforcement. This doesn't mean punishment. It refers to the removal of something undesirable to encourage desired behavior. Here are some key points to remember. First, natural consequences. Allow students to experience the natural consequences of their actions, like not completing homework may result in a lower grade. Second, logical consequences. Implement consequences that are directly related to the misbehavior. For example, if a student disrupts the class, they may lose playtime. Third, consistency is key. Ensure that consequences are applied fairly and consistently for all students. Fourth, focus on the behavior. Address the specific behavior, not the student's personality. Finally, provide support. Offer guidance and support to help students make better choices in the future. Remember, negative reinforcement should always be used in a calm and respectful manner. The goal is to teach students self-discipline and help them develop positive behaviors. Thank you for joining us today. Stay tuned for more classroom management tips. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for your educational inspiration. Let's build a well-managed and supportive classroom for all.